had a brilliant night in the Manor. Another rose, you have to come. We woke up this morning in the port of Wellington, New Zealand. And it is another working port, and it is out of the city, so there is a common theme here if you're coming travelling. See the buses there starting to get ready to take people into town. And just there in centre view is the Sky Stadium. It has a nickname. If you know what it is, pop it in the comments for me. I forgot. It is day 6 and we are just getting ourselves organised before we head out. It is 8:30 in the morning. The ship just got in at 8 o'clock and it's a very, very busy place that we've actually pulled into. So you do have to get on a bus and it will take you around into the city, but I've never actually been to Wellington before, so it's going to be a bit exciting to go for a little bit of a browse around, see what's here. So just like yesterday, really, really easy to get off the ship, walk down deck 5, basically walking straight out the gangplank, no wait time, and onto a bus straight into town. The ride took maybe 10 minutes, wasn't very long. There are lots of lovely volunteers around helping when a cruise comes in. They recommended we go across the road here and walk our way through town. Just taking a walk down the main street of Wellington here in New Zealand. We're going through the shopping precinct at the moment. We're probably going to go head down toward the water. But so far, yeah, it's really pretty. It's different. It has a different feel. Bit of helicopter action. That's dangerous. If you're wondering what that was about, there was 2 helicopters landing on the same pier at the one time, and it didn't strike me as a safe thing to do. They do have a virtual art piece called a halo. I'll insert one here. We can't use it. We actually don't have a data package at the moment. We opted to just use Wi-Fi on the ship and not worry about getting a SIM card for this trip. Didn't feel the need. Just saw some butt. Hang on. When we'd gotten to as far as we could go, we then tracked back to the Museum of New Zealand for a look through. They had a fantastic Anzac component to the museum, which I highly recommend if you're interested in that sort of thing to stop in and have a look at.
Gallipoli has been an infernal hothouse, a perfect...
If you go all the way to level 6 of the museum, there is like a sky deck, I guess you'd call it, at the top, and you can come out and have another look that overlooks the city. We weren't going to be doing the cable car ride today, so this was another option, looking back on the city centre itself. There are 6 different levels in this museum. You go all the way up to the top and it gives you a view over Wellington Harbour, and then you make your way down through art gallery, traditional Māori culture, then you go to Gallipoli, the natural world and so on. It's really, really well thought through, and the displays here are excellent. And it's a free entry to get in. So if you're here on a cruise, pop around, a bit of a walk around, but well worth the trip. And you can enjoy this place for at least an hour or 2. Following our leisurely waterfront walk, our museum visit, we were now backtracking back through the city of Wellington. I'm heading to where the bus picks us up to take us back to the ship. It was getting quite warm, maybe time for a swim. So something to remember when you are going into a city on a coach from a port, that you have to have your photo ID with you. So when you get to the port, they will have someone come on and they'll check to make sure you have your medallion and also a photo ID. I just had some of Jeff's bacon. It is like candied bacon, but gee, it has some spice in it.
Yeah, this was nice. Ooh, that's nice.
So the meal at Razzle Dazzle, well, plate's empty. The avocado toast was lovely, the pancakes were lovely. Food here is nice, just gotta pick good stuff. Plate of fruit. It is a vegan restaurant, but you can order some meat if you want to. You just have to ask. Jeff had a vegan sausage. Jeff and I...
No, he didn't.
Jeff and I aren't vegan, but it doesn't bother us if we don't eat meat, if you know what I mean. So this has been really nice. Following brunch, it was back to the room to get ready for a bit of a dip, but before we did, we had to sort out our laundry. So you get quite a big bag in the room, and within the bag itself, we had one free load with our deep blue extras. So you get this bag, and you can have a regular wash, $30 total per bag, or you can actually work out items, which I think's probably going to be more expensive. So you basically just put everything in that bag as much as you can. We just went for regular, we didn't need same day, and you just let them know that you want it collected, and away you go. You do that on your app. Something happened to the wellness spa. It was freezing on this day. Cold, it's chilly. Chilly. Well, we are in the whirlpool. Drinking.
Well, did you want to go up?
All day rosés.
Did you want to go up and see one of the spas? See if we got a top?
I'm good. I'm getting used to it now. Okay. It is a bit chilly in here today. It was warm the other day. I think it's quite warmed up. They're trying to get everyone off the ship and into town. I think it's a secret conspiracy to get everyone off the ship so they don't hang around near the pools.
The only conspiracy I've got is brain freeze.
Yeah, don't drink these too fast. How much are these? 15. So an all-day frosé, so frozen rosé.
Daiquiris are 11.
$15. Daiquiris 11. Pina coladas are 12, 13, something. Anyway, need to check. No, that's an update. This whirlpool's pretty cool. Okay, just need to heat it up a little bit. Actually, it's starting to feel, let's find the warm jet and sit next to that. It's getting warmer now. Jeff put the jets on. Just had a lovely dip in the spa. I'm just drying off a little bit. I'm not going to stay here too long because I'm starting to go a bit pink. But yeah, once I've dried off, I'm not sure what we're going to do next. This is a really nice area. There's a couple of spas in this space that you can use. What we did end up doing was going to the cabin and spending some time reading a book and just relaxing before our cocktail event started that afternoon. We are at our second free champagne sangria event with our Splash of Romance package. You have your own personal musician, plenty of these.
Cherries tonight too.
And the ship's just doing a little bit of a 180 to get us underway to our next destination, which is 2 days of sailing, and then we're in Sydney. Cheers.
Hands down, the best cruise I've ever been on.
The best cruise ever.
Let's go. Love this. Love this.
Any of our friends would love this. Wish you all were here with us. It's amazing. Amazing. Amazing service, amazing crew, amazing food. I can't be happier.
Company's been okay.
Drink more wine, Jeff. It'll get better. I was actually feeling a little bit sad that we were leaving New Zealand. I absolutely love this country.
The mirror. That's so he's going to call me Tom.
We're in the toilet together. This is bad. I hope there's no reflection. Just in case you're wondering what we're doing, we had our exclusive cocktail event and now we're off to another rose.
Watermelon.
Vermouth, don't do vermouth. I know the vodka, thank you very much. I'm getting out of here. I got my vodka, I run. Which way we go?
Oh, wait.
So Another Rose is a show. It's $50 each. It's a 4-course menu with 2 cocktails included. And alongside of that, you get bottomless rosé. We don't usually drink rosé, but for $50 each, I'm sure we can manage to get our money's worth. We are sitting in Tier 2 seating, so basically you get there early and you wait at the door and then everybody just runs out to get their table. It's a bit like survival at the fittest. We are at Another Rose. You pay $50 each and they keep filling up your glass and glass and glass and glass. And we've just come to this after a 1 hour long, or you can drink champagne and sangria, and it's very hard to down this. I don't know how I'm going to go. We did get a beautiful 3-course meal and a couple of cocktails during the show. We'll show you what that looks like as we go through. But we're on Tier 2. We chose Tier 2, which gives us main stage and some seating around the main stage. Jeff wanted to go Tier 3 upstairs, but there was no way I was going to go up there. I went, no, I want to be down in action. We're down in Tier 2, buddy. And that's what happened.
Midnight Madness is going to be messy tonight. Let me know right now.
Oh, God.
You heard it here first. Jimmy Nelson, Candid Tourists. Like, subscribe. Do that shit you like to do.
He's turning into some sort of Greek god. Look at him.
Come on. Get it on. Come on. Here we go.
I do it to myself. I don't know why. I do it to myself. I don't know why. I do it to myself. I don't know.
What's up?
Be careful. The evil queen. Shower.
What?
Shower.
Just had a brilliant night in the manor. Another Rose. You have to come, don't you, Jack?
What?
You have to love Another Rose.
Hello. Oh, this lady.
The next show that we went to that same night was called The Misbehaved Show. This was by far the most funniest show that I'd seen on board, and I highly recommend you go to this one. It's an absolute laugh. And then we ended up going back to the manor, which had now been converted into the nightclub, to watch a band play for a little bit. We met the keyboardist Johnny. He was sitting behind us at the Another Rose show. God. A pizza place, they do great pizzas. They do really, really good pizzas. But it is, what is the time?
G'day everyone, my name's Jeff. This is Midnight
What
Madness.
is the time, Jeff? Can you
Day,
click my watch?
day
What is
7.
it? Hang on. What's the
Day
time?
7, Midnight Madness, 1:37.
It's 1:37 a.m. in the morning.
Allison's turning into a pumpkin.
No, this is the latest night that I've actually been out on a ship.
Sucker.
And Jeff, we're getting a.
We've met a lot of good friends.
Here we have. And Jeff's getting a
Pepperoni.
pepperoni pizza, and then
Hey,
we're gonna go up the galley and hopefully get some.
Is this
something.
Midnight? Is this Midnight Madness?
You know what? Everybody that we just danced with at the Kaz Manor is
pizza.
here ordering pizza.
you
This
doing-
could be another party.
Are you doing Midnight?
Impromptu.
Are you doing Midnight Madness or not?
Yeah, when we get back, probably.
Oh, we're doing it.
Oh yeah,
Alright.
they'll watch you do a freaking Hasselhoff eats.
Stop it.
And on that note, and considering the time of the evening, it was really time for us to eat our pizza and head to bed. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel. We have a little bit more coming up around the Virgin Cruise. So make sure you stick around and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.